Hello, my name's Archie and I'm studying business economics with the Year Abroad option. I studied in Bangkok, Thailand, and what convinced me to take a year abroad as part of my study is I didn't go away before university. I've lived in Cornwall all my life and I just wanted to get out there and see what the world had to offer. So I spent my year studying by allocating my timetable to ensure that I could go away as much as possible. I made sure that I only had lessons across 2 days. They were busy days, however it meant that I could go see Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, all the stuff that you want to go see and really get involved with the culture that Thailand has to offer. My highlight of Bangkok was getting to share the amazing memories that I had with people from all across the world, getting engaged in culture, but in particularly Songkran, the Festival of Water. It was absolutely amazing and great fun. We all got engaged with the locals, we had great parties and also really enjoyed the culture that Bangkok has to offer. So students considering a year abroad, first of all, I wouldn't be too worried about where you're going because the world is an amazing place. I would just worry about how you're going to enjoy it. I would say yes to everything, every opportunity that they have to offer, try and get involved as much as possible. I did that and I ended up in some places I would never dream of being. I ended up having the most fun and it was really engaging.